Contact-dependent signaling is critical for multicellular organisms' development. Despite great leaps in designing signaling systems within single cells, realizing contact-dependent signal input and integration among multiple cells is still a big challenge in synthetic biology. We developed the Enable system to complete transmembrane signal transduction for eukaryotic cells and enable contact-dependent signaling between cells. Our system consists of 3 layers: receptor, amplifier, and combiner. The first layer is the receptor. We optimize previously reported synthetic notch receptors to connect the outside to the inside of the cell. The presence of extracellular antigens on sender cells renders synapse activation by a cascade of cleavages in a core transmembrane domain, releasing the intercellular domain. We optimize synapse in order to reduce background activation, thus increasing the signal-to-noise ratio. Though this receptor is highly orthogonal when tested with different extracellular antigens, the limited number of released intercellular domain is still under detection and below the threshold required to construct binary logic gates. Here comes our second layer. We designed the amplifier layer to amplify extracellular signals before the logic gates. Finally, these amplified signals are integrated by a third layer, the combiner layer. We use zinc finger nucleus-based DNA binding domains in either activating or repressing transcriptional factors to complete the 16 binary logic computations, eventually giving very strong outputs with high precision. In summary, our Enable system has achieved the spatial integration of contact-dependent signals and has constructed a complete framework for every binary logic gate. Our design combines the advantages of both centralized computing and distributed computing. We believe that our Enable system not only provides a synthetic biology toolkit that enriches eukaryotic signaling networks, but can also serve as a design principle for effective membrane receptors design with high modularity and standardization.